dream and you sleep for dream. Somebody pursue with collapse, better collapse, sharp one. Then you can't run for the dream as you wake up like this. And the person that you see near you, what you go do?
Nah, I'm not going to take better eye look the person. I must know that he's my greatest enemy. In life,
Your greatest enemy.
yes, because dream never tell lies.
Dreams never tell lies.
Not at all.
There's some
Manipulation, of course.
So what do you think about that?
Well, it takes the grace of God and the wisdom of God to differentiate the dream and to able to understand it and to differentiate the bad one and the good one.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Wazobia TV.
Wazobia. Yeah.
If you dey sleep now, somebody dey pursue you for dream with collapse. As you wake up like this, now the best you see am, what you go do?
I go run.
You go run.
I go run. I go run. No go wait. I go run. Okay, bye.
Thank you very much. Wazobia TV.
Wazobia TV, gini menono.
Gini menono. Oh, gini menono. All right. If you watch us live on Wazobia TV, my sister, now one question I want to ask you. As you did now, if you dey sleep for dream, you dey sleep, and you sleep for dream, somebody dey pursue with collapse, and you can't wake up. If you can't see the person face to face, what you go do?
I go stand for her now.
You go stand with the person.
We go fight her.
You go fight her.
And I go win her. You know the fight, but the whole cutlass.
Yeah, for as you wake up, you see him.
And the whole cutlass. I go stand with her and I go collect the cutlass from your hand.
Yeah. Papa Jora 150 wolf, Sulere wolf. Papa Nayabi. Papa Jora wolf 150 wolf, Sulere wolf. Love so. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Now Wazobia TV be this. If you watch me live, straight here from Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. Go sit down there with your big trouser. None of yourself. All right, everybody. Go sit down there with your face. See person face as it be. None of yourself. Now slippers we have been a rapper tie for leg. None of yourself. See your face. See your face. People they wear nika. I go wear bear shit saying a nika. None of yourself. Today me I will die there. Okay, still on the street here. Okay, good afternoon. The answer call. Na lie, you know the answer call. Na business call you dey call. All right, good afternoon. How far now? Okay, how far? How far are you dey?
Just sleep.
How far are you dey?
Why? I dey kampe.
Wazobia TV.
Just like
okay, as you dey like this, if you dey sleep for dream,
yes.
Then somebody pursue with the full collapse, full voltage. The color dey shine, they reflect. Your eye dey reflect for the collapse. As you dey run, as you wake up, because the person sit down here, what you go do?
That's a serious thing, no.
That's a serious thing.
That's a serious issue.
You don't take off.
Sharp.
But you don't go blow.
Blow waiting.
Madam, what of you? Not tell me say deaf and dumb did this motto. What of you, babe? You don't take off.
I'll run away.
You go run, abi. Madam, what of you?
I go fly. I go fly. Because I don't go believe. I don't say my dream, so I real.
All right, y'all. Still on the street chance for Wazobia TV. Make it not tell you die. I tell you, Peke there. Po. If not me, either I blow the air or I take off. Or I swallow one draw and I call fly in my scene. All right, y'all. Okay, father. Okay, now your belly be this. When you want born,
Any moment from now.
oh boy, now wow. You marry now, your wife not get belly, you go to complain. Not to say the belly when your wife supposed carry, you don't carry.
I go to complain, I don't go like am.
I tire for
I
you.
go make her stomach.
But this your belly rough. You need to carry and go dry clean and make the iron am.
No be small.
All right, you're still on the street here. Okay, come. How far now? I like this your BS.
No be small.
All right, see what you did there. If you did, as you did now grab like this, somebody they pursue you for dream. You dey dream or somebody they pursue you. Now you run, get up, wake up. You can't see the person face you. What you go do?
Face to face. I don't know what I go do, but I go leave everything for God. I waiting I go do with that too.
Sometimes you know say God say heaven help those who help themselves.
Of course.
Fight the battle.
I go try to defend myself.
That time God no go tell you say the battle is of the Lord o. But when you dey see the wind dey physically koro for your eye, you go sit down. My guy, you no go use blow spoil your eye.
Now I thought I go defend myself. That means I go find waiting I go.
That kind thing abi.
That's so now.
Oh boy, come on here, you ain't don't eye. That guy no normal, he don't take like 4 rap. You know say get the way you go take am. You get one guy they load now here and they holla. Papa wolf. As he drag the second one. Papa wolf, third one. Ah! Japan. No say that they knock person brain. All right. You see this guy now? This guy take time.
No start your favorite beer like my papa.
Come. Now this your baby that they tire me.
This baby no start don't go Malaysia come back.
This baby.
You
go Malaysia?
I go Malaysia
come
back.
Let me say your kidney not complete now.
I don't tell you that.
You don't go sell your kidney, abi?
I don't go take away.
You go sell your kidney.
No, I go sell
4 million. See your face. Guy, Alpha. Yeah, what's up?
All the way from 38.
Yeah, no man. Still on the street to you just. My guy, may I ask you my question?
I ask you.
You don't pay?
I won't pay now.
All right. So as they settle you first.
I don't get change now. This is what I do.
What do they worry you? Take go here, look for the church come. All right, you're still on the street here on Wazobia TV. My brother, if you dey sleep for dream, somebody they pursue with collapse for dream. You can't wake up now the person you see. What you go do?
That's my imagination. I know if it happen now.
It go fit happen now.
Say I dey sleep, person pursue me cutlass. I can't wake up, I can't see the person. I go sleep back now.
You go sleep back. My guy, now you be the 50 cent for this area.
No, I don't do 50
You grab, but you not grab where? You can't grab maybe all this one. You know, for this one, you know, not grab at all. Yeah? Where you come from?
Come from my house.
For your house?
Yes.
You guy, that shy boy, that shy guy. Papa wolf. Papa wolf. Papa. Mama!
I don't see myself.
No, you know what I'm now?
Hey, you go.
They show you die. Kò ní bàjẹ́. Lágbára Jésù.
Lágbára Ọlọ́run.
Allah.
Oh, our God is good.
All the time.
DBB.
Hey.
Bola. State and capital. Happy woman here. Fasola Flower. Good luck never. Obasanjo set. Tinubu Lasima. Yoruba Mebo. Igbo 419. Hausa Boko Haram. Kalabo Jelegba. Delta Wayo. Na mumu dey go boutique. Sipe Bola. DBB. Wuye. Ẹ dákun mẹ́la ẹ pọ̀ sí o.
All right. Now like this, I take end this segment. My name is MC Shaggy. If you just tune in, this one are your street yarns from Wazobia TV channel 195. Make you not touch that. Every day, just wait till 11:30 in the morning. You go no say na me, be your host, and na me also be the producer. With my cameraman, Ibro, I hail you. It's too much. We'll wrap up like this till tomorrow. Oh shit, feel it. Peke there.